Hi guys, I hope you all are doing very well. Guys, all these students who are planning to give their scholarship exam, as I discussed in my webinar, so here is the way how you can get that and do that scholarship test. So first of all, open Play Store. अगर तुम्हारे पास Android है तो Play Store, Apple है तो Apple Store. वहां पे जाके you can search for WeGyde. मैंने already search किया हुआ है and यहाँ पे you will find an option for installation of WeGyde. Just click on this and your app will be installed. So once your app is installed, click open. When you open the app, so what you will see a page. यहाँ पे you will have to select ACCA free webinar. You will not have to select ACCA 11-1 Hindi classes. Just click on free webinar. When you click on this, you will see an option to enroll. Click on enroll. When you click on this, it will ask you for your mobile number. If you have already registered, then just put your mobile number and they will ask you for an OTP and you provide the OTP and that's it. And if you have not registered, just click on register now. So I'm logging in. So when you log in, you will see an option for practice. Click on practice. जब तुम practice पे click करोगे, यहाँ पे you will see scholarship exam October 1. ठीक है? तो you will see this exam, scholarship exam October 1. Click on this. It will take you to a page जहाँ पे तुम्हारे को एग्जाम के बारे में सब कुछ बताया होगा. ठीक है? अभी देखो ये पेज ओपन हो रहा है. It's so exam will be starting on 5 o'clock on 1st October 2022. That is today. So this is how you can give this scholarship exam and get additional discount on the coaching fees of ACCA knowledge level. Chalo, bye guys. Take care and have a great time.